Hi, where's your eyes? Your nose? Your teeth? Your tongue? Your ears? How about your hair? Your hands? Your feet? Your feet? Ay, where's your feet muna? Pakita mo sa camera yung feet mo. Feet. Ay, your neck. Where's your neck? Neck. Oh. Ay, where's your feet? Oh, yun ang feet. Ah, dirty feet. Your kilikili. Ay, your puwet. Your puwet. Ah, yun ang puwet. Your titi. Titi. Yeah, amoy. Yeah ba? Yeah. Yeah ba? Paano daw yung laugh? Your laugh, Your cry. Oh, cry. How about, paano daw yun naman yung sad? Sad. Paano sad? Patingin ng sad. Patingin, paano maging sad? No. Sorry, tanga. Yeah!